Get your balance. Oh! Yay! Good job. You want to do it again? You want to go to the couch?
Hey, this might be a little too close for the camera.
Come here, honey. You do some more walking? Come on. Stand up. Stand up and get your balance. Okay. Let's go get Dad.
Hey, Claire, come here, walk to me.
Let's go get Daddy. Right over there. Go
Can you walk to Dad?
Okay, you got your balance now. You just need to turn around.
Come here, babe.
Okay, go get him. Go get Dad.
Come here. Come here.